Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Isdone dll Dynamic Link Library and an Unarc.dll error when you try to install your games or software with a large size of file. So here, thank you for ultra.microsoft.com and also a user to provide this article and find the solution for us. And here we go. This error, or the Isdone dll and Unarc dll error in Windows 10 or 11 is mostly related to the installation of PC game, as well as program of large size. Large games or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. If or while installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have a sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. Now let's start fix by erase your Windows page file or virtual memory. You can open it by hold Windows key and R key, and this is the run box. Now you can try to type sysdm.cpl or sysdm.cpl. This one, you can pause the video. After that, you can click OK. Next step, you can click Advanced. This is the system properties. Click Performance Settings and click again Advanced. And this is the virtual memory. You can change it and untick this box. Automatically manage paging files for all drives, and click on Custom Size in order to fill it manually. You can fill the initial size by 400 and maximum size is 3000. Set and restart your PC or your laptop and try to reinstall the game. Here, 0.5 for most games to 0.5 GB is enough. The value which will work in most cases is again 400 and 3000, like I mentioned before. Note the values are in megabytes, so this is set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click this button below. See you in the next video.